Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do this look right here. I find that I'm very drawn to earthy colors, and that is basically what I'm obsessed with. So of course we're gonna be using brown, but I did decide to do a half cut crease, and I did a nice shimmery white to kind of make that contrast right here. And yeah, that's pretty much what I did. A nice liner, some mascara, and you got this eye. So we're gonna do this. I have this eye that I have absolutely nothing on. So we're basically gonna start off with some concealer, or if you have eye primer, you can use the eye primer. I personally use concealer. And we're just gonna prime all of this, or conceal all of this, so we can start using our eyeshadows. Now for concealing it, I always like using my RCMA palette. For me, it just has every single color on the block that I may need. So this is very handy for concealing, contouring, putting on foundation. It's just everything in one palette. So we're using this. Now while I'm concealing, I'm also gonna be cleaning up my eyebrow. There's a nice 2-in-1 step, so I like doing that to just have a sharper eyebrow anyways. Alright, now that we have everything concealed, I like to personally take a sponge kind of like this. I've been recently doing this, and I just carve, and I basically just stamp it right here, kind of like how I want my eye to look like, my eyeshadow. Where do I want it to stop? So I kind of curve it up like this, and I just put a little bit of setting powder on it, and I stamp. And that's kind of like my guide to know not to put any more eyeshadows like below that. Now we're gonna start going with our colors, finally. So again, I'm gonna be using my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm also gonna be using a little bit of my Milani's palette right here. So the first eyeshadow that I'm gonna be using is the color Mocha right here. I'm just gonna use it as a all-on crease color. It's also gonna be my base for any eyeshadow that I'm gonna go on top of it. So I'm basically gonna put that color kind of like in my crease and just all over. That's gonna be kind of my base. I'm not gonna be setting my eyes just because I feel like it grasps the color better if I don't set it. So we're just gonna jump in with the color. So just a little bit, and let's start. I like stamping it on first, like so, kind of to pack the color where I want it to go, and then whatever's left, I just keep going inside. Alright, so now that you have that color in and blended, make sure to blend it pretty well, because we kind of want that wash of color. We're gonna be using a darker brown to just make it pop more, but that's kind of what we want. And now we're gonna go with Central Park right here, and we're gonna do that a little bit more on the outer corner of our eye, and just really pack it in to kind of make it a little bit more intense. after I pack that on, I'm just gonna blend it in a little. So we have it like this. Now we're gonna be doing a cut crease. So we have this right here. And now we're gonna do our half cut crease. There we go, kind of like that. So now for the inner corner and basically all that half cut crease, I'm going to be putting beam right here, all over that. Go, and we're gonna go again with the darker brown and just redefine that shadow right here. All right, so we basically have it done. We just need to put a little bit of highlight on the brow bone and a little bit of highlight here. And then we just keep going with our liner. For the brow and inner corner highlight, I'm gonna be using the Milani eyeshadow palette. And this is the Bare Necessities palette. And I'm gonna be using this shimmer right here. The shimmer is called Specialty. Alright, so eyeshadow is basically all done. Now we're gonna line our eyes and make a nice cat eye. I'm using the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. Go. And since I feel like the liner is not as sharp as I wanted, I'm just gonna go with a little bit of concealer and just wisp it out. Alright guys, so the only thing that's missing is to just put on some mascara, and if you have fake eyelashes, just put them on and we're done. I'm using the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. And we're done. This is the look. Like I said, we used a lot of browns and we used a nice shimmery white. Very simple, but very effective. And I think that it looks really good. So this is the look. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this look. Remember that I'm gonna be doing videos every Monday and Friday. So look out for that. And also remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to see any more stuff from me, and hit that like button because it helps me out a lot. Please leave it down below if you have any recommendations for me for any videos, and I'll see if I do them. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching and have a good day.